Hey everyone, welcome back to the GC Krav Maga Train at Home series. Today is matching shirt day. Make sure you and a friend are wearing the same shirt, otherwise you're not cool like Mr. Noy and I. Summertime is almost here, it's getting hot out, so today we're going to work on core, build you those summertime abs. You might not be able to lay out on the beach, but you can still lay on your front lawn and show off what you got. So, let's go over the warm-up. The warm-up is a series of progressive movements. We're doing toes to sky, into inchworm, down, into upward dog, to downward dog, 5 push-ups, inchworm, back up, repeat 3 times over. Let's show you what that looks like. So start out with your toes to sky stretch. From there, you're going right into that inchworm down, into your upward dog. You're going to hold that for about 5 seconds, then you're going to push back into your downward dog. Arms and legs locked out, press that chest towards your toes. Hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you're going to go straight into 5 push-ups. From there, you're going to inchworm back up. Repeat 3 times total. And for the workout, you're doing 30 cross arm crunches, the entire leg lift alphabet, 15 weighted glute bridges, 30 side heel touches, 10 hollow rocks, 30 slow-mo bicycles, a 1-minute plank. Repeat all of those one more time. Your abs will thank us a couple days from now. Then we have stretches at the very end, 30 seconds of cobra, 30 seconds of child's pose, 30 seconds lying, twist, stretch left, 30 seconds lying, twist, stretch right. Let's break that down. 30 cross arm crunches, hands on opposite shoulder blades, leave them there the entire time. Make sure you get your shoulders off the floor for this and your abs stay engaged the entire time. Leg lift alphabet. Just like Mr. Noy here, you're going to get into leg lift position and you're going to write out the entire alphabet with your feet. Next up, 15 weighted glute bridges. It's a glute bridge with weight. Hold that weight nice and firm against your pelvis so that you get that extra little bit of resistance as you press your hips up towards the sky. Next up, 30 side heel touches. From a sit-up position with your feet planted firmly on the floor, you're simply going to reach to each side and tap those heels. If it's too easy, move your feet further away from your body. Next up, 10 hollow rocks. Keep your momentum. Don't stop in the middle, don't stop at the bottom. Keep rocking back and forth just like Mr. Noy. Next up is 30 slow-mo bicycles. Make sure your upper body stays at that 45-degree angle between the floor and 90 degrees, touching opposing elbows to opposing knee. For a modification, if that's too difficult or if it becomes too difficult, you can lay down with your back on the floor as long as you're lifting your upper back off the floor to complete those slow motion bicycles. Next up, 1-minute plank. Plank is a plank. Make sure you are flat from your shoulder blades down to your heels. Engage your glutes, engage your core. Hold that for 1 minute straight. Repeat that entire set one more time, and then we're going to move into your stretching. 30 seconds of cobra stretch. From there, sit back on your heels into child's pose. Lying twist, stretch to the left, and lying twist, stretch to the right. Looks just like that. You're going to do 30 seconds per side. Your abs will thank us in a few days once you start to feel the delayed onset muscle soreness. You're welcome. Have fun with this. Let us know how it goes. Do what is hard today. Do the impossible tomorrow.